Hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer like I always do. Nothing is for sale, nothing is monetized. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, or anything else. There aren't even ads on the YouTube videos. The only reason I do this is to keep a training journal, okay? It's for myself, really. If you want to join our Discord, though, it is linked to in the description. And again, in the Discord, there's just trading talk, some memes posted, a little beginner guide, and that's about it. There's nothing more to it. Just let me close my door. So, on Bloomberg, the most interesting thing I can see, the biggest headline popper, is gold surging from more sanctions Trump had placed on Russia. Right. Yeah, so we'll see how that is looking. That'll be quite interesting for trading crude. But first off, we'll start looking at SPY. And today we'll also do a partial redraw while I'm looking for setups. So it will be a setup scan and I'll do a partial SR redraw. Let me close all bullshit like that. Telegram, Steam, everything where someone can message me. Okay. So I close my door as well, so don't bother me. Okay. So look at the dollar index, stable as well. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. The de-dollarization of some countries is very profound. I posted some of it in the Discord on the news of how much gold China is holding now, and it's all because they want to back the yuan with gold. They're de-dollarizing, essentially. They're making the yuan more attractive by holding gold. The tariffs are speeding that up indirectly because the tariffs are pushing all these countries away from America and making them less dependent on America as well, making them look for different ventures and different alliances. And for example, China, India, Russia, those three have become very close under Trump's term. Especially now you see Trump sanctioning Russia even more, putting tariffs on China more. There's already one going hard on India that's been there for a while. And yeah, it's making them look for alternative solutions to the dollar. Is that good? Is that bad? Don't know. I don't care. What I'm looking for is how I can make money off of that. If the world goes multipolar, I want to make money off of that, okay? That's how I'm looking at it. So let's start by looking at the SR areas. They look fine. If there was a setup, it would triggered quite a while ago. Yeah. Nothing that sticks out here. Let's look. Let's redraw this completely. No. Actually not. This isn't nice. I mean, this could be just a little bit like that. Beyond that, this looks potentially interesting. Let's mark that. Let's go down. This is all fine. I'm gonna completely redraw this. So when I draw like that, or like this, or actually in general, I start like this, like that. I start at either the top or the bottom, and then I do the in-betweens. Like this. There we go. Let me just see if there's anything else connected to that level. Yes, there is. Also, don't look too hard for SR areas. If you have to look too hard for them, it means that someone else was unable to find them, which makes them inherently weaker. These were too thick, so we're gonna have to go with weaker levels. That was what I've been referring to for a while as SR inflation. Here we go. I made a whole video explaining why thicker SR areas are stronger. So I'm not going to get into why. I mean, it's pretty simple as well. A bigger zone, it's harder to cross. It's not much more to it. There we go. Now it'll look like lines zoomed out, but when I get in on setups, it looks fine to me. Yeah. Let's get to it. This looks really inflated, so I'm going to redraw all of this on its descent down the hill. And if you've noticed, I've finally got my 200 MA fixed. So this is just a dying piece of shit. Everything going down I see kind of irrelevant. I see as kind of irrelevant. And yeah, it's a level here for sure. Just mark that at the top. And then we had a singular reaction here. If you hop down the time frame, technically it's bouncing around there, but it is congestion. Rebounded off it. So yeah, it's a weaker area, but it's all we got. Yeah, that looks a lot more clean, or that looks a lot cleaner when this kind of closes as well. Oh, yeah, here, okay, that might be something we can work with. Oh yeah, there is something we can work with right now. Let me get this one marked as a 12-hour entry. And I can't enter trades. Yeah, I can't enter trades for over a week till next month. I hit my max. So this is a strongly downtrending pair with an entry available on the 12-hour. And you see that it's appropriate SR wise. Oh yeah, this is a juicy one. Yeah, I'll post one in the Discord. Also, don't be a little FOMO faggot if you can't get into trades. There's no such thing as missing out on trades. No such thing, because there are good trades all the fucking time. So that missing out mentality just leads you to jump into trades you shouldn't be in the first place. And then you end up doing some dumb shit. Fucking up the strat. Losing fucking money, huh? You good at that, yeah? The gapping here just made it look nuts. Made all of it look nuts. Like, what is this? No, I needed to range a little bit. This all looks like shit. Yeah, there's nowhere to go for it. So I'd have to go with singular touches. But it's all-time highing, so whatever. Do your thing, bro. Okay, this looks kind of inflated, doesn't it? No, not when I zoom in. Looks fine. It looks like a poor range. Very hard to trade range. Here we can add. We don't need this top anymore. We can see that it's been ranging down there. After a hard drop. I mean, it's constantly dropping, but an additional drop. What is this based on? Okay. Yeah, that looks fine to me. I don't want to draw inside. No, it's nothing to do with that. This looks like it could be potentially very interesting. We're going to mark that and discuss it later. Let's pull this down. Let's redraw the whole fucking thing. Yeah, I just noticed immediately like, nah. Can't adjust, gotta redraw. So we're gonna go a little bit thinner. We're gonna have to go a little bit thinner in general because, what the fuck is that? Because of the gapping, the breakouts, all that shit. What is an appropriate top here? Like, it could go up here, right? But what's the range gonna play that much? Also, let's make it a little bit thinner. minute. Oh, I removed my 200 MA on average. Fuck. I'll fix that afterwards, don't worry. I'm not gonna waste 15 minutes of video time on it. I'm not gonna waste a singular minute, actually. So we have some levels here. Not the thickest SR areas, but that's fine. And that seems to be the range for me. Yeah. It's too congested. Oh, there's a breakout going on right here. An active one on the full one day as well. There's a lot of setups already. Another one that's cross pairs. There's a cross pair risk on that. Oh, these levels don't look too shabby. Only in the last few days, week or so. Yeah. Here again, we need full redraw. Oh, this fucking broken wrist. So I deleted my SI area. No, I mean my 200 MA on accident. It's really lacking mobility. It's a lot better now though. It's a lot less painful. Let's make the range smaller down here. Small adjustment for this one. But beyond that, nah, nothing. You know. I mean, it is the level. Yeah. Let's get this copy back up here. That's all we have. I don't like those type of SI areas, but it is reflective of the current market. Let's look at silver. Let's look at gold. Very interesting. We're finally seeing some ranging on it. Gold's looking very interesting. I'm gonna put that as a long term. That's so much for oil dumping, huh? Fucking headlines. Don't trust headlines. So we're gonna discuss the potentials we've got now, see if all of them are valid. These are the close potentials. And here we have a further one away. That'll look at tomorrow. So we'll start with this one. This is an active breakout going on right now. These kind of trades, you want to keep your sell loss tight as fuck. If it doesn't break out, it doesn't break out. Always said it like that, alright? Keep it right on the candle, like that. If it goes back into resistance, it's not valid. Right there, you got a valid setup. You can go 1.5 hours, that's fine enough for that one. It's a valid setup. We had a very high win rate with these lately. Very fucking high. I wonder when that's going to turn around. Yeah, I'll get that posted in the Discord. Nine shit with no fucking demo account. Here we got the other breakout. Let me just look at the crossfit risk and think a little bit. So GPD, non-GPD. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, honestly. And also my crosspair risk for my bankroll management. To see what you find comfortable, but what I find comfortable is 3 pairs at a time. Nothing higher than that. This one I can do 2.0 with. Yeah. A little bit closer. Like that. Like that. Yeah. Here we go. So I'm actually probably gonna enter these on action aggression. but I can't trade these on my personal account because I've hit my monthly limit. But Actron is intended to blow, so I mean, who cares? Who gives a fuck? I mean, the clients don't seem to give a fuck. Here, we'll have to wait. But here I'm looking for most likely another breakout as well. It's just a continuation of the market. Here, I'd be looking for the same kind of ranges we're seeing. Oops. Just let it break through. Keep a tight sell loss. And 1.5 R on entry. You can do extensions on both of these if you need it. And regardless, what I was saying is, with Actron aggression, clients don't seem to give a fuck. So I got two funds in my hedge fund. Actron long term, which averages about 44% a year. Something like that, 45, 46, I don't know. It's been running for a while. And I've got Actron aggression, where I am doing dumb numbers, like stupid numbers. A lot more than that. But the accounts blow after usually no more than a year, no longer than that. And it's not uncommon that they blow after like 3 months as well. But the only reason I keep Actron aggression in my hedge fund is because it's more popular than Actron long term. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with people. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you guys watching? Why do you just want to gamble money away and make quick money on trading and shit? You know it's not gonna work, right? Regardless, if that's what people want to fucking buy, I mean, I'll take your money. I don't have any fucking liquidity in Actron aggression. I'm not gonna gamble like that. And I see people putting their life savings. This looks a little bit congested. I'm gonna redraw this as well. We don't need all that fuss on it at all. It's gold, so we don't need all that noise. Like I've mentioned many times before, gold is kind of like this piece of shit, bro. Gold is more like a stock. It's closer. It isn't a stock, but it kind of moves like one in the way that it inherently goes up. That's why I don't struggle to trade as much as a lot of other traders do. So I don't mind only having these two levels, because I'll treat it like a breakout, or I'll get some kind of continuation for when it goes back up. We'll see. So yeah, that's all I've got for now. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment in my YouTube videos. You can just call me Dom as well. I mean, you can do what the fuck you want. I'm not really bothered one way or another. Just don't try to sell anything. Those guys are so fucking annoying, bro. All these fucking cheats hopping in the server trying to sell members. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. You can also hop in the Discord. It'll be linked in the description. There are no rules except the fucking don't sell anything. That's it. So yeah, hop in, post some racist memes with me. Let's have a good time. Let's trade. Again, nothing's for sale there. This is me, some other guys, some profitable guys. Some guys have started doing really good, actually. I'm quite proud of that. Making money. One dude quit his job prematurely, in my opinion, but whatever. Whatever. It seems to be working. With that said, that's all I've got, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.